Have you pressed record? Right, we're finally on. So we're in Central Park, and who do we bump into? Big Bird.
I'm not talking right now.
Hello, Big Bird.
Hi, my friend.
Hello, how are you? Now, which one are you?
Hello!
Which one are you?
I'm a cookie monster.
You're Cookie Monster, and which one's this one?
Almo's name is Almo.
Elmo, Cookie Monster and Elmo. So, Cookie Monster and Elmo and Big Bird in Central Park.
Do
And
you
I'm
like
in-
music?
I love music.
Let me put some
You're gonna put
music.
something on?
Let me
I'll put something on.
Gonna
Go on,
put
what are you
some
gonna play?
music for you.
What are you gonna play? Oh. I tell you what, I love New York City. Anyway, I love this music. What song is this?
Go cookie, go cookie, go cookie.
Anyway. I love it. Bye from New York. Thank you. Thank you, Big Bird. Thank you,
Very
Almo.
much, my friend.
Thank you.
Very
Ciao.
nice.